Hey Heritage Landing fans, Roberto Lee here at Heritage Landing in Punta Gorda, and we are previewing this available terrace condo. This is the Carolina floor plan, part of the non-golf series of terrace condos that you're going to find here. The Carolina is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, right around 1,300 square foot. Let's run inside and take a look. So with the Carolina, to the right of the entry, you've got your guest bedroom here. And then just off this guest bedroom, you have guest bedroom number 2. Nice part about this guest bedroom here, it does tie in to the guest bath. So it's kind of like an ensuite setup here. Now coming back into the main entryway, right across from the guest bath, you do have the laundry area here. You have a dedicated laundry space with full-size washer and dryer. And then here you have the guest bath with the dual sinks, the commode, and the combination tub and shower right there. Now coming back out to the main areas here, you have your dining space, your kitchen, and your great room area. Here you've got quartz countertops, white cabinets, a full stainless appliance package, and you also get the washer and dryer. Nice little great room area here. And right back in the corner, this is where your master bedroom is. A nice sized master bedroom. People typically fit a king size bed right there against the wall. And then we've got 2 closets, and you've got your master bath here with the singular sink, the commode, your stand-up shower there. And last but not least, you have your viewpoint here out of the back of this unit. So this is the N unit Carolina. So you've got a nice private view of the preserve back there. And another little perk is to the right of this unit is the parking area. So your guests have quick and easy access right to this unit. Okay folks, so this one is available right now. It's only one of 2 units left in building number 12 here, ready for a November close. If you're interested, just contact us at all of the information below. Thanks for watching.